Hi, I'm Jack Simpson, the current Australian Barista Champion, and when I look for coffees for the World Barista Championship, sometimes I'll get samples that are less than 100 grams. So I need a grinder that's zero retention and single dose. And with such a small sample, I only get a few opportunities to try this coffee, so I want it to be right. So today I'll be using the Philos. Now I know the grind setting is between 20 and 30 on this grinder. Now I'm looking for an extraction time between 20 and 25 seconds with this coffee. So I've dialed in a similar coffee, which is the same roast profile and same origin. And today I've landed on 23 clicks. Now with a coffee like this, I start with a ratio of 1 to 2. So in this case, 18 grams of coffee to 36 grams of coffee out. So when dialing in these expensive coffees, it's important to ensure the grinder is nice and clean. So once this is done, we open the chute, load the coffee, close the chute, and then start the grinder. Now, another great feature about this grinder is a dose finisher, which lives just in the front here. Now, I want to get every particle out, so I use this while the grinder is on, just to get those last few particles. And then tucks away back in the front quite easily. Now, what I love about this grinder is it's so versatile. So it gives me the ability to change between coffees and try them side by side. Now, I only have a few handles of this coffee, so I'm going to make sure I enjoy and try everything that I extract. But what's great about the Philos, if I need to make a small adjustment to the recipe, it's as easy as 1 or 2 clicks. And I don't need to purge or waste any coffee in between.